I have been here many times, probably you have too, but one cannot have a YouTube channel and nothing about this marvelous location. Not only of its history, but also the view that is very, very unique for Sicily. It was built by Greeks for musicians and drama performances, but Romans transformed it for games and gladiator battles. The scene is the only original part that has remained, with a southern view towards Etna and down to the first Greek colony in Sicily, Giardini-Naxos. The cavea was built for up to 5,400 spectators. It is good to take with a pillow for performances that is quite hard to sit on stone or wood benches, but actually it's one of the best places to see performances from. On the upper part they have now built a bar and restaurant with almost a 360 view. Sadly they have built it now as tourism is very low. The acoustics are fantastic here. Best performance I ever seen here is the most famous Sicilian opera Cavalleria Rusticana, and it's an ideal place to see this opera. This is actually the second largest theater in Sicily. The largest one is in Syracuse, and of course I will make a film about that.